Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your AC clutch relay is located on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? That really helps me out a lot. So the first thing we need to do here is just pop our hood. So we're going to come over to this fuse box right here, and we're going to squeeze these two tabs. Let's just lift this up here. There is a diagram under here, and that diagram will tell you that this relay right here is your AC clutch relay. So this relay is what controls your electromagnetic clutch right here for your AC compressor. So this is the relay you're looking for right there. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps me out a lot. Thank you for watching and have a good one.